everyone, welcome to Business Standard Morning Bulletin. Today we look at Tech Mahindra that is ready to take the big leap. The Mahindra Group's information technology unit is all set to focus on its next big target. With the merger of the Mahindra Satyam and the rebranding of the combined entity Tech Mahindra Complete, the action has now shifted to its bottom line. GP Gurnani, Chief Executive Officer of Tech Mahindra, is putting in place a new team and a strategy that will help the company reach $5 billion in revenue by 2015, or nearly double the revenue from $2.67 billion as of March 31, 2013. Gurnani has already picked up an ace team to help him on this new course. Among his trusted aides would be Manoj Chugh, Head of Global Sales, V. Srinivasa Rao, Global Head NMACSSS, Manish Vyas, Global Sales Head Telecom, and GB Kumar, Head of West Asia and Africa, Rohit Gandhi, Head of APAC, Milind Kulkarni, CFO, and Manoj Bhatt, Deputy CFO. Tech Mahindra's entry into new geographies will be the key to making this happen. The person heading the West Asia, Africa and Turkey region, Kumar, has already beefed up his sales team, which has now close to 400 associates in the region. For Kumar, who has worked with Cisco for almost 6 years and managed regions like APAC, Japan and China, the new mandate is unlikely to be a cakewalk. This region is unique. It may not be a huge market, but you see almost all the global vendors eyeing deals here, which shows the potential of deals coming from this region. The IT opportunity for the region from 2010-12 was $9 billion, says Kumar. The reason why Tech Mahindra is banking on these geographies to boost growth is because of the build-up in infrastructure in these countries. This means there will be enough requirement for complex enterprise resource planning and IT rollouts. Within the region, Saudi Arabia, which has the largest budget for IT among all the West Asian countries, will be one of the big markets for Kumar. Gurnani says mergers and acquisitions will also be crucial to meet the $5 billion target. For this, the company will appoint 2 senior executives, while one will be involved at the corporate level to look at merger and acquisitions opportunities. The other will drive the portfolio. The 2 people steering this inorganic expansion will be Kulkarni, who was appointed as CFO, and Bhatt, who has been leading the corporate planning and including M&A and investor relations portfolio and was recently given the additional responsibility as Deputy CFO. Clearly, the team to power the next phase of growth for Tech Mahindra is all set, and as Chugh says, it is now about our ability to execute. How we get in front of the customer and deliver is going to be the crucial. That is all in the bulletin for now. Thank you and join us again for the afternoon news bulletins.